potato head boys like yourself.
I ain't touching that. What are you, some kind of troll or something?
Holy mackerel!
Ha
Yeehaw! Ow! I was born to be wild, but the cage was too small.
Hey, Rolf! Incoming!
You're crazy? Do not fool Rolf!
Not to mention a duck.